Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to answer. How many languages do you speak?
I speak English, Urdu, and Punjabi, but my native language is Urdu, so I'm very much comfortable in sharing ideas in Urdu. But English is also our international language, so I'm in a process to learn it.
Okay, I'm in a process of learning it.
Okay.
Good job, very good answer. When did you learn to speak English?
I started English learning when I was 5 years old.
Yeah, I started learning English when I was 5 years old, learning English.
Okay. And when I just admitted to school, and I can remember that it was my first day at school, and my English teacher came into class, and she taught me about phonics.
That's it. So since that time, I have been learning English. Okay, since that time, I have been learning. English means even now you are learning. Okay, that's good. Do you think English is a difficult language to learn?
No, it's not, because everything needs practice and devotion. So if I'm determined to learn anything, I can learn it.
Okay, would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Yeah, surely I will learn Arabic because it's our holy language. So I would like to learn Arabic so that I can understand what our religion says to us.
Very good. Yeah, what a religion says to us. Good job. Let's go on. It's your turn. Smile. Good. Do you always smile?
Not always, but
Mike. Yeah.
Not always, but most of the times I usually smile because it's a good thing. I smile whenever my mood is happy, and I think it's a healthy activity to lift your mood up. So I always like to smile when my mood is happy, and I think it's a good thing to keep yourself moderate.
Good. Should people smile more?
Yes, should people?
People should.
Yes, people should smile more because I think it will definitely make a world a better place. Or people should definitely smile more often because they actually know how to tackle their routine life on day-to-day basis by putting a smile on their faces.
Okay. Do you smile when taking photos or selfies?
Yes, absolutely. I smile when I take photos because whenever I take photos, I'm over the moon. Yes, I am taking photos, or I always put a smile on my face to give a very good gesture.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm smiling.
All right. Can you recognize a fake smile?
No, not at all, because it's really very difficult for me to recognize people that they are actually, because during these days this is very difficult to actually learn that to actually recognize that people are actually faking the smile or what they're up to. So it's very difficult to judge people nowadays.
This is very good. Your fluency is good. Accent is good. Overall, your answers are according to the question. So keep it up like this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.